जाएगा. से I say that what if the salary of this person was 100 rupees? I have got nothing else and I say that it is 100 rupees and then this person is spending 10% on food. So अगर आपने 10% इसका खर्च कर दिया, what is that you're gonna left with? You will be left with 90 rupees. Does this make sense to you? And then you will be spending 20% of the rest. 20% of the rest means 90 rupees का. What is going to be 20% of 90 rupees? If you simplify, you will be getting 18 rupees. So 18 rupees खर्च कर दिया, अब क्या बच गया? 72 rupees बच गया. Does this make sense? Now the problem says that now this person is spending 25% of the rest, which is 75. खर्च होगा और उसके बाद में फिर जो बचेगा वो क्या होगा? उसकी सेविंग होगी. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 25% ऑफ 72? Simplify this on your own, guys. You will be having 18. 25% is 1/4. 1/4 of 72 is 18. Now if 18 is subtracted from here, what is that you will be having? You will be left with 54 rupees. Had the person's salary been 100 rupees, यहां से यहां तक 10% कम किया, यहां से यहां तक 20% कम किया, यहां से यहां तक 25% कम कर दिया, तो प्रॉब्लम पूछ रहा है कि यहां से यहां तक का चेंज, राइट? नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. वी आर लेफ्ट विद 54 rupees, बट इन द problem says that this person is left with 5400 rupees, and if the person is left with 5400 rupees, डबल जीरो ऐड कर दो, काम खत्म हो जाएगा. कहां पे? इस 100 में. So what is the salary over here? 10,000 rupees is the salary of this person. Does this make sense to you? Now